So my next adventure, going to Thailand. I had plans of going and meeting my friend Hog in June, but with the status of this whole coronavirus thing going on, they might close the border. To be honest, I don't want to really be stuck in the United States while this whole thing passes over. So I made the decision to buy a last-minute ticket to Thailand. So I'm gonna go out on there and connect in, set some routes, and wait for this whole thing to kind of pass over. So
our lines are busy due to coronavirus outbreak. A ticket on your case has been created automatically. Expect someone to contact you in accordance with your departure date.
oh, they just hung up. So I guess you can't directly talk to the airline right now because of coronavirus. Awesome. Sounds promising. Well, looks like I'll just try again tomorrow. So this is pretty much all of what I'll be carrying. It's like 6:30 in the morning. People are still asleep, so that's why I'm being quiet. Just doing my final packing, and then we're heading straight to the airport. So made it to the airport. Thanks to this angel. It's fucking dead in here.
Do you have any luggage to check in, sir?
No, this is fine.
Is Bangkok your final destination? Have you traveled internationally in past 14 days? Okay, sir, this is your next flight boarding pass. Singapore to Bangkok, and this is today's boarding pass for Singapore.
Thank you.
What this is saying then is that just as you don't know how you manage to be conscious, how you manage to grow and shape this body of yours, that doesn't mean to say that you're not doing it. Equally, you don't know how the universe shines the stars, constellates the constellation, and galactifies the galaxies. You don't know. But that doesn't mean to say that you aren't doing it in just the same way as you're breathing without knowing how you breathe.
So I just got off my 16-hour flight from Seattle to Singapore. It's pretty chill, good food, just watched some movies. Tried not to fall asleep because I don't want to get jet lag, because I want to sleep tonight, so I wake up with the sun. And yeah, I got off the plane and pretty much there. Gave me this sticker. Looks like there's about 7 of us. I think Singapore has like quarantine right now, so maybe that's why they're doing this, but I'm not too sure. See ya in Bangkok. What's up, everybody? So, just got through Thai customs. There was like a long ass line for screening for the coronavirus. Probably was in line for like at least 45 minutes. And pretty much I had to just download this app, put all my information into it, check off any symptoms that I have or didn't have, get like a stamp of approval that I'm good to go. And then I went through immigration like normal. There was no one in line really. It took me like 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna go to my hotel, meet up with Nina, and sleep. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated whenever I get to the hotel. Much love. Guess who I found?
Hi!
We made it!
We made it!
They carried my bag for me and everything.
They carried yours and they carried mine. You have so much shit.
So this is what I travel with? This is what Nina travels with?
It's my life.
Oh my god.
I don't have a home.
Well, we're gonna catch up. Love you guys. Bye.